بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praises be to Allah, the Lord of the universe, the Master of the Day of Judgment. May the peace and blessings of Allah upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, upon all prophets, upon the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and upon all his real followers in entire world. Amma ba'd. My listeners and viewers, today I am here to narrate a wonderful story that is full of lessons, and the story teaches us to sacrifice the wealth, the luxuries, the comfort, the relations, the land, the all kind of favors, just for the sake of Allah, for the sake of belief, for the sake of religion, for the sake of truth, for the sake of righteousness, and so on. And you know, nowadays we as a believer, as a Muslim, young and old, men and women, all need these lessons to live an Islamic life. So it's my request to everyone who is going to listen and watch this video to learn these lessons from this wonderful story, to make ourselves ready for these sacrifices if it needs in any step of our Islamic life in anywhere. So let me start the story. My listeners and viewers, you know the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and you heard about them a lot. But today I am going to narrate a unique story, and you can say here, every story of Prophet's companion is unique, but it's also a reality that each unique is different from another. So in the same way, you can take this story as a unique one. This story belongs to the first envoy, the first propagator of Islam, who was sent by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The story belongs the carrier of standard, the carrier of Islamic flag at the Battle of Uhud. This story belongs the cream of martyrdom at the Second War of Islam. The story belongs a person who was brought up in wealth, grew up with its luxuries. The story belongs a person about whom the history brought witness that he was known and named by the good between his people. The story belongs the person who hadn't no boy in whole city who was pampered and caressed by his parents like him. Might you will be getting anxious and agog. Your fondness and affection will be growing and multiplying to listen to the name of the great hero of this story. But sorry, my listeners and viewers, for it you had to wait for the next part of the story that will be displayed inshallah on the upcoming Sunday. And I hope you will be waiting for that part with a great eagerness and interest. Thank you so much. I wind up this session with these words. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.